Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tumblr. Here we go to settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Tumblr and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.